Hi guys, it's Carrie and I'm back with another motherfucking video. So, do y'all like my hair? I took like flipping 2 hours to do this. I ain't done this in ages and I never slick my hair. I'm so bad at it, but I think it came out pretty decent, you know. But I'm gonna show you guys my current updated everyday makeup routine and my new foundation routine, because I've been using some new products, so I'm gonna show y'all what's poppin'. So yeah, keep watching. So I've been using these new brushes. Oh my goodness, I've been using these new, there's some missing because I was using them yesterday, but these are my new set of brushes that I got from Vanity Planet. This is my second set. I did make a video before. I made a video before and I had the same palette, and I'm back with another one because I love them so much and they're so soft. They've got a new color. They're like pink and white, super cute, and they are birch wood, but they have this nice pink and oh, can y'all see that? But they got this new pink and white design on them and I really love it and it's super cute, and you guys know pink is my favorite color. And these are synthetic, cruelty-free brushes that you can use, streak-free, amazing, incredible, everything you need. There ain't 15 in here right now, but there is 15. And you know, honestly, it's actually the best. It's one of my favorite palettes. Like, this is my second set. You know, I had to go back and get some more, like, shit, these are good. But yeah, I love these brushes so much and I think you guys should get them too, so we can be twinning with our pink. Look at that, super cute. Yeah, I also have a discount code. I managed to get one for you guys and you can get 70% off. So let me check how much they are. So you can get 70% off using my discount code golden70, which will make it $30, which is super cheap and affordable for these amazing brushes, you know. So yeah, I'm going to be using these brushes today, just if you're wondering where my brushes are from, because people's always asking me what brushes are you using. But yeah, these are the brushes I'll be using today, Vanity Planet. So my skin's just looking so peak. You know when you just have those days, like, no, not those days, yeah, those days, like every like 3 to 4 weeks I'll just go in a mirror and I'll just see so much pimples and I'll pop them, and then once a month I'll just have like, well, for a good week or two my face will be looking atrocious, and it's a bad habit. So I've got so much dark marks on my face and I just can't even come on YouTube looking like, you know. So I just had to put a bit of something on my face just so I feel not so disgusting, you know. Like, shit, I look dusty, like, damn. First I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows using Anastasia Beverly Hills dipbrow pomade in chocolate with my angled brush. concealing my brows using an LA Girl Pro Concealer in fawn and yellow. Sorry. Now that I've finished concealing my brows, I am now going to move on to the face, and I'll be applying my new RL Beauty London Highlighter Glow Drops, and I'm using these two colours. Then I'm going to go over my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick in 173 and 180. I then go in with my concealer, which is LA Girl Pro Concealer in fawn, and cover any blemishes I can see. Going with my second Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick, which is in fawn, just to line it up. And I use such a dark color, which is this one, because I feel like I like my foundation being darker, so I like to mix the two shades, but I put this one second, so it kind of just balances everything out. And now I'll be highlighting and contouring, use my LA Girl Pro Concealers again in yellow and fawn mixed.
Gucci flip-flops, fuck it, hit your bitch in my socks. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off of the clock. Pull the 6 out, wintertime, dropping the top. Give it to they pussy ass, turn this shit up.
Thanks for watching my tutorial. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, thanks for watching my YouTube video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial we got going on, and make sure you check out the makeup brushes. They're really good and I really love them. And don't forget to use golden70 at the checkout so you can get 70% off. I mean, what's up? Stay updated on me and my life via watching my Snapchats, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Goldenbih and my Snapchat is Goldenbih XO, because some bitch wanted to steal my username, but that's okay. So y'all know what's up. Thanks for watching my video.
Dial is not in service at this time. Aye, flossing